It is a must to change engine oil of motorcycle once a while. I could take my bike to mechanic shop for it, but I like to work on it myself, so I feel closer to my bike and understand more about it. Engine oil is usually sold by liter in Japan. My bike takes 4 liter oil if I change the oil filter at the same time. If not, it's 3.7 liter. So I buy oil in a 4 liter can. It means I always have leftover oil and the 4 liter can somewhere in my room unless I throw away. This should not be a problem if I have garage or a shed. Unfortunately, I live in a small room or condominium and have not much space in the storage. So I wondered, how can I make use of the extra oil? After World War II, people were suffered by the scarcity in Japan. They cooked fries with engine oil. After eating the fries, they experienced nausea, abdominal gear, diarrhea. And there were death cases because of the diet. 겁니다. Actually, this was my first time to change an oil filter and just got a socket for it. Yeah, そうじゃなくてサイズが合ってないんです。サイズが合ってないんですよこれ。あ、そういうことあるのかね。間違ったサイズのも買っちゃってて。あれじゃない？メーカー合わせなきゃダメなのかな？メーカーじゃなくて、まあ単純にサイズですね。ですね。やっぱり細かいところはね、メーカーは。失敗しました。あれでね、転んだことあるの。あらら、大丈夫でした？
それは大変でしたね。
ちょっとは怪我したけども。
The weather forecast said today's gonna be sunny and calm. They also said it should be a perfect day to change oil filter. I couldn't use the oil for cooking because it's machine oil. Do I have any machinery other than bike? I make knives as a hobby. And these are the knives I'm currently working on. It is still halfway, but I'll show you when it's completed. Thanks for watching.